Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. I am back with a new video. In today's video, I'll be showing you the ways to fix latency on Bandlabs. In order to fix latency on Bandlabs, you could follow the steps. Now, first of all, let's understand what's a latency issue. Now, latency is a time when your device takes process sound from your microphone and sends it back to your speaker. The length of this delay depends on your device as well and any other hardware you use, such as headphones or external microphones. Although there is no way to completely fix latency, however, you could follow the steps in order to fix it. Now, first of all, what you can do is log into your Bandlabs and then go to the studio section. So from there, you want to go ahead and tap on the gear icon. So here you could do this by going to your profile. When you press on the profile, then you could see this sort of page. After that, you want to go ahead and scroll down and tap on Latency Fix. So here you could find out this option, so Latency Fixed. After which you need to unplug your headphone, find a quiet location and set your volume level to a comfortably loud level. This way you should be able to fix your latency on Bandlabs. With that being said, we've completed steps. That's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.